Okay guys, I ordered a vintage speed exhaust system for my VW Bug that I am restoring / building. It's got a 2276 motor in it, so I wanted a performance exhaust. But I also required heat in the car. So I ordered this unit, which will work with heater boxes. And I did already open, sorry, I'm not going to knife it because I already opened it once, but I was so impressed with their packaging job and the quality of it that I thought I'd do an unboxing video. So here's what we have. Everything's nicely vacuum foam wrapped. And here's the exhaust in the package. Stainless steel. Still has the protective sticker on it. That'll all peel off, of course. But at first glance, look at the quality of the welds on that TIG welding. And I was pretty impressed with that right out of the gate. This was the first piece I picked up. Really some nice workmanship. So I'm pleased with that so far. So we get two pieces of that come off the front cylinders and attach to the muffler system. Muffler system is here. You can see the flanges. These are threaded to accept the adapter plates for the heater boxes. It's all stainless steel, nicely polished. Got the tips that'll come out, the original apron cut out, so it looks like a stock system. It's got some pretty good weight to it too. But then I was impressed also with, my wife and I were just talking last night. I've ordered a lot of parts for this car from many different manufacturers and vendors. And I was telling her how nothing anymore comes with instructions. And that's okay, because I've done it before, so I pretty much know what I'm doing, but a lot of people might not. So first thing I saw was this package, and I knew what it was because I'd watched their videos and been to their website. But here on the back it says scan this QR code with your phone and it'll pull up a YouTube video to show you how to do this. So these are heat shield wraps that go on these pipes so that it doesn't burn your fresh air heater hose supply tubes. So that was kind of neat. And then it's got liability and warranty information here. Just telling you to make sure to run your carburetor rich enough that if you run it too lean, it generates too much heat. You can void the warranty, and different information on how to set up your carburetor so it doesn't overheat. And then really good quality hardware pack. I already opened this once, but here's the instructions that are in the back. Nice clear instructions. Got a kind of a parts diagram on the parts that are with it. And then nice illustrations on what you put together first and how to assemble the whole unit. And really good quality hardware. I was noticing these clamps for where it meets with the heater boxes, and they must be having their own built because these look like they're all stainless steel hardware, and I've never seen one out of the Bug shop that looks that good, so I'm excited to get it put together and put on. Basically this unit, the two tips stick out the apron, obviously, and then these pipes would adapt to reach the car, to reach the engine, like this and like this. So that marries up to the rear facing cylinders, and then your flanges are still in the box here and here, and these are going to mount up down here like so, and those will match up to the heater boxes. So anyway, vintage speed. You guys do a nice job. I'm impressed. Can't wait to get it installed and try it out. More to follow. Thank you.